Yo guys, welcome back to LeadFoot TV. So today I am just doing a little job on my MX-5 and I thought it was worth filming because it's quite a nifty little tip. Basically I'm going to unblock the roof drains for the MX-5. Basically they have two drains either side of the roof that let water out, and they have a tendency to block up because they just get full of like moss and leaves and all kinds of crap. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to unblock them now. So basically what I'm going to use is this sink unblocker. So this is actually for like unblocking kitchen sinks and stuff, and yeah, we're going to feed it down the holes because basically all they are is like little holes in the corners of the roof that have a pipe going out to the bottom of the car, and they let the water drain out the bottom of the car, and when they fill it with like crud, it stops the water coming out and then basically gathers in the top. So I'll show you where they are, which is, they're a bit of an awkward place to get to and they're very difficult to see. I thought I'd do it before I put the hard top on, because once you've got the hard top on it's even more awkward. But down there, where are we at? Yeah, so you need to pull this carpet away, and then down there in that hole, yeah, down in that hole is where the drain comes out, and mine is absolutely full of shit. I can feel it already. There's loads of like dirt gathered up in there. I'll get a light on my phone and then you can see it a bit better. Yeah, so there it is. You can see that hole there. That is the drain hole. And yeah, basically it's full of crap. So we're just gonna put the sink unblocker down it and just, yeah, push all the crap out the bottom of the pipe basically. So we'll do that now. So just want to get the end of the unblocker. See if I can mount this phone light somewhere so it's a bit easier to see what I'm doing. So yeah, that's it going down there now. So we're just going to do the other side now. I've just fed it in, so like literally just gone in. So you just want to push it all the way down again now. You can see all the water coming out of there now. Yeah, so that one was blocked up quite badly. See all this crap that just came out the bottom. So yeah, just feed it back and forth there. Yeah, that'll do. Just pull it back. Just pull it back out. It'll be dirty, so just be careful with it. Come out this way. There we go. You can see all the crap that's come out on that. Yeah, it's fairly dirty, that one. That one was really blocked up. So it's well worth, if you've got an MX-5, making sure you do this quite regularly, because it really does prevent the rust. The other thing to do is the sills actually have drains in them as well, which is why the sills rust really badly. So I will do a video on that as well when I've got a bit more time, and just show you how to drain to clear the sills out so the sills drain the water properly, because once they block up, basically they rot from the inside out, because like most Japanese cars, they drain into the inside of the sill. So if they can't get the water out, basically the sills fill up with water and then yeah, rot from the inside out. So I'll show you how to do that in another video. I just thought before we stick the hard top on it permanently for winter, it was worth draining the plugs the roof drains out. So yeah, if you found the video helpful, make sure you give it a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.